Hello, and a warm welcome to all of you tuning into Finantax Clips. We're here to share knowledge that helps you make informed financial decisions. Today we're taking a virtual journey across America to uncover the top 10 tax-friendly states for the year 2024. Whether you're planning to move or retire, these destinations could be your ticket to significant savings. Without further ado, let's dive into our countdown. Starting our list at number 10, we have the Hoosier State, Indiana. Known for its rich history, beautiful landscapes, and of course the Indianapolis 500, Indiana is also a state that's friendly to your wallet when it comes to taxes. One of the key aspects that make Indiana a tax-friendly state is its low property tax. Homeowners in Indiana can expect property tax rates that are well below the national average. This is great news for those looking to settle down in a state where the cost of owning a home won't be inflated by hefty property taxes. But the benefits don't stop there. Indiana also boasts a flat rate for income tax, so no matter how much you earn, you will be taxed at the same rate. This can be a relief for those who are concerned about being hit with higher taxes as their income increases. Adding to the tax-friendly nature of the state is the sales tax. In Indiana, the sales tax rate is reasonable and competitive when compared to other states. So with all these factors in mind, it's easy to see why Indiana made our list. Its low property tax, flat income tax rate, and reasonable sales tax make it a solid choice for anyone looking to stretch their dollars further. Indiana certainly offers a lot for those looking to lighten their tax load. Coming in at number 9, we have North Carolina. The Tar Heel State has a lot to offer, not least of which are its tax benefits that could make your retirement years more comfortable. One of the key features of North Carolina's tax system is its flat income tax rate. Regardless of how much you earn, you'll be taxed at the same rate. In a time when many states have progressive tax structures, where the more you earn the more you're taxed, a flat tax rate can be a breath of fresh air. It means your tax bill is predictable, no nasty surprises. In addition to a flat income tax rate, North Carolina does not impose an estate or inheritance tax. This means that your hard-earned assets can be passed on to your loved ones without the state taking a chunk. This lack of estate and inheritance tax can make a significant difference to your financial planning in your later years. Furthermore, North Carolina also provides some relief when it comes to property taxes. It boasts one of the lowest median property tax rates in the country. This can make a big difference if you're thinking of buying a home in the state. North Carolina certainly makes a compelling case for tax-friendly living. Not only does it offer a flat income tax rate and no estate or inheritance tax, but it also provides relief on property taxes. These features combined make North Carolina a strong contender in our list of tax-friendly states. At number 8, we're looking at the Beehive State, Utah. Now you might be wondering, why Utah? Well, it's not just for the stunning landscapes or the world-class ski resorts. When it comes to taxes, Utah has its own charm. Utah operates on a flat tax system. This means that everyone, regardless of income, pays the same state income tax rate. In Utah, that's a moderate 5%. This can be quite beneficial if you're in a higher income bracket. But let's not forget about sales tax. Utah's state sales tax is approximately 6.1%. However, when you factor in local sales taxes, the combined rate can be a bit higher, averaging around 7.18%. Now, what about retirees? Utah has some provisions that make it attractive for those enjoying their golden years. While Social Security income is subject to the state income tax, Utah offers a retirement tax credit for those aged 65 and over, which could help offset some of these costs. Furthermore, Utah does not tax military retirement pay, which is a significant benefit for veterans. And while it does tax other types of retirement income, like from pensions or 401ks, there are some credits available that could lessen that burden. Utah certainly offers a sweet deal for those looking to save on taxes. Lucky number 7 brings us to the Silver State, Nevada. Known for its arid landscapes and bustling city life, Nevada has more to offer than just natural beauty and entertainment. It's also a haven for those seeking tax-friendly living. What makes Nevada stand out in terms of tax advantages? Well, it's one of the few states that doesn't charge state income tax. Yes, you heard that right. No state income tax. This means that all your hard-earned money stays right where it belongs, in your pocket. But that's not all. Nevada also boasts low property taxes. On average, homeowners in Nevada pay a mere 75 cents for every $100 of assessed home value. That's significantly lower than the national average. This makes Nevada an attractive option for those looking to retire or those who simply want to stretch their dollars further. Moreover, Nevada doesn't tax your Social Security benefits or your retirement income. This is a big plus for retirees, or those planning to retire soon. It means you can enjoy your golden years without worrying about a big tax bite eating into your retirement savings. To top it all off, there's no inheritance or estate tax in Nevada, so you can pass on your wealth to your loved ones without the state taking a cut. Nevada truly shines when it comes to tax-friendly living. Halfway through our list, at number 6, we have the Granite State, New Hampshire. Now, you might be wondering why New Hampshire is celebrated as a tax-friendly state. The answer lies in its unique tax structure. Firstly, New Hampshire stands out as one of the few states in America that does not levy a general sales tax. Imagine shopping without the added burden of sales tax. Sounds great, doesn't it? Whether you're buying a new sweater or a new car, the price you see is the price you pay. Secondly, New Hampshire also does not impose a state income tax on earned income. This means your paycheck won't be skimmed by the state government, allowing you to take home more of your hard-earned money. However, it's important to note that New Hampshire does levy a 5% tax on interest and dividends. So if you're someone with significant investment income, you'll want to factor this into your calculations. Despite this, the absence of general sales tax and state income tax make New Hampshire an attractive destination for many. Residents can enjoy the state's natural beauty, from the majestic White Mountains to the serene Lakes region, all while reaping the benefits of its tax-friendly policies. So, there you have it. New Hampshire is a solid choice for anyone looking to save on taxes. Scene script. Coming in at number 5, we have the Treasure State, Montana. Now you might be wondering, what makes Montana a treasure trove for taxpayers? Well folks, the answer is simple. It's the state's generous tax policies. First off, let's talk about sales tax, or rather, the lack thereof. That's right, in Montana, there's no state sales tax. This means that whether you're out buying groceries or treating yourself to a new fishing rod for those pristine Montana rivers, the price you see is the price you pay. No additional charges on your receipt. That's a breath of fresh air, isn't it? But that's not all. Montana also offers modest income tax rates that range from 1% to 6.9%. This tiered system ensures that you're only taxed proportionately to your income. And remember, these rates are considerably lower than the national average, making Montana an attractive destination for those seeking to stretch their dollars further. Also, did you know that Montana offers property tax assistance programs for its residents? These programs can significantly reduce the property tax burden for qualifying homeowners. So, if you own a home in Montana, you have another reason to smile. In conclusion, Montana's tax environment is as inviting as its stunning landscapes. The lack of sales tax, manageable income tax rates, and property tax assistance programs make it an appealing choice for anyone looking to enjoy their retirement with a little more financial freedom. Montana is indeed a treasure for those seeking tax-friendly living. Sailing into number 4, we have the Sunshine State, Florida. Known for its vibrant beaches, theme parks, and citrus fruits, Florida is also a haven for those seeking a tax-friendly lifestyle. One of the most significant advantages of residing in Florida is its lack of state income tax. Yes, you heard it right. Whether you're earning from wages, salaries, tips, or even unemployment benefits, Florida doesn't take a piece of your income pie. A 0% state income tax rate is a rare gem that only a few states offer. But that's not all. Florida also does not impose an estate tax. This means that Floridians can pass on their assets to their loved ones without the worry of a hefty state tax bill. This is a significant advantage, especially for retirees who wish to leave a legacy for their families. Moreover, Florida's sales tax rate is only about 6%, which is relatively moderate compared to other states. And with property taxes at around 1.02%, homeowners in Florida can enjoy their paradise without excessive financial burden. In the sphere of taxes, Florida truly shines. The state's generous tax policies provide a much-needed relief for its residents, making it an ideal place for anyone looking to maximize their earnings and protect their assets. Florida certainly brings the heat when it comes to tax-friendly living. Chilling at number 3, we have the last frontier, Alaska. Now you might be thinking, Alaska, really? But let me assure you, when it comes to tax benefits, Alaska is a giant in the game. It's one of the few states in America that does not impose a state income tax. Yes, you heard that right, no state income tax? This means every penny you earn, you get to keep. But wait, there's more. Alaska is also one of the 5 states in the US that does not collect state sales tax. That's right. Whether you're buying a fresh salmon from a local market or a new snowmobile for those winter adventures, you won't be charged an extra penny in sales tax. Talk about a win-win. And if these benefits weren't enough, Alaska has an annual tradition that's worth mentioning. Every year, as a resident of Alaska, you receive a permanent fund dividend. This is a sum of money paid to you directly from the state's oil wealth fund. It's a unique benefit that truly sets Alaska apart from other states. So if you're looking for a place where your money can stretch a little further, Alaska might just be the place for you. With no state income tax, no sales tax, and an annual dividend, Alaska is a cool choice for anyone looking to save on taxes. At number 2, we have the Mount Rushmore state, South Dakota. This prairie state is more than just a home to iconic sculptures. It's a haven for those seeking tax-friendly living. South Dakota's tax advantages are as vast as the Great Plains themselves. One of the key benefits is the absence of state income tax. That's right, folks, living in South Dakota, you won't have to pay a penny of your hard-earned money to the state in the form of income tax. This means you get to keep more of your income, which is always a plus. Next, let's talk about inheritance tax. Losing a loved one is hard enough without the added stress of inheritance tax. Well, in South Dakota, you can put those worries to rest. There's no inheritance tax here, allowing you to pass on your assets to your loved ones without the state dipping into your legacy. And it doesn't stop there. The state's overall tax burden is one of the lowest in the country, making it a top contender for anyone looking to stretch their dollar. From retirees to young professionals, South Dakota's tax advantages make it an attractive destination. So if you're considering a move and taxes are on your mind, don't overlook South Dakota. With its tax-friendly policies and stunning landscapes, South Dakota is a monumental choice for tax-friendly living. Topping our list at number 1, we have the cowboy state, Wyoming. Now, why does Wyoming ride off into the sunset with the top spot? The answer is simple and sweet: taxes, or rather the lack thereof. Wyomingites enjoy the freedom of no state income tax. That's right, folks, you heard it correctly, no state income tax. This means that residents can keep more of their hard-earned money in their pockets. And who wouldn't love that? But the tax benefits don't stop there. Wyoming also boasts some of the lowest property and sales taxes in the country. Property tax rates hover around a mere 0.6%, while the average combined sales tax is just over 5%. For retirees and anyone looking to stretch their dollars, these low rates can make a significant difference in daily living and long-term savings. And let's not forget about the stunning natural beauty that Wyoming has to offer. With majestic mountains, vast plains, and breathtaking national parks, it's a place where you can truly savor the fruits of your labor. So, whether you're a retiree, a young professional, or a family looking for a new start, Wyoming offers a unique blend of financial benefits and natural wonder that is hard to beat. Plus, you'll be living in a state that values your hard-earned money as much as you do. Wyoming takes the top spot for tax-friendly living in 2024. That wraps up our list of the top 10 tax-friendly states for 2024. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. We kicked off our journey in the Hoosier State, Indiana, then headed east to North Carolina. From there, we ventured west to Utah and Nevada before making our way to the Granite State, New Hampshire. We continued our journey in Montana, the Big Sky Country, then soaked up the sun in the Sunshine State, Florida. Our travels took us up north to Alaska, then back to the Midwest with South Dakota, and finally we ended in the Cowboy State, Wyoming. Remember, everyone's financial situation is unique, so it's crucial to do your own research and consider your personal priorities before making any decisions. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.